Infrahyoid muscles, two group. Infrahyoid muscles, okay, contains two groups. One group, superficial group, superficial group, and another group, muscles. External contains two muscles, superficial group contains two muscles. Breast muscles, external okay, one, external muscle, external muscles, and another omohyoid, and deep group contains two muscles. Thyroid, okay, thyroid, and thyroid, okay. External-hyoid muscles origin from these muscles, external-hyoid origin from posterior surface of the sternum. Posterior surface, this is sternum point, posterior surface of sternum, and breast cartilage. Fibers of the sternal-hyoid, okay, insertion, body of hyoid bone. This is hyoid bone. Hyoid bone contains any portion. Hyoid bone contains body and large crown, large and lesser. Okay, and contains body form greater form and lesser form. Okay, external-hyoid action, depression of the hyoid bone. Action, depression of hyoid bone. Nerve supply by ansa cervical. Nervation from ansa cervical. C1 and C2. C1, C2, C3, C4, and C5, formation of cervical plexus. Okay, cervical plexus. C1 together by which cranial nerve? Thank you, very good. Okay, thank you. Hypoglossal, C1. Okay, together by C1 together by hypoglossal. Okay, and this C1 branches, first branch, upper root of ansa, upper root of ansa cervical. Upper root of ansa cervical. Okay, and lower root of ansa cervical, origin from C2 and C3, communicating, but formation of ans. This is ans. Okay, innervated external-hyoid nerve supply by which nerves? Ansa cervical. Okay, and another muscles, did you understand? The external-hyoid muscles, nerve supply by which part? Ansa cervical formation from C1, C2, and 3. Okay, and another muscles, omohyoid muscles. Another name is scapula. Okay, origin from upper border of scapula, insertion hyoid. Omohyoid Omohyoid contains two belly, inferior, okay, and superior belly contains any belly, two belly. What's the meaning belly? Superior belly and two inferior belly. Inferior belly origin from omohyoid scapula and superior belly origin from intermediate tendon. Insertion hyoid bone. Which part of hyoid bone? Greater horn and small part of the body of hyoid. Nerve supply. This part, superior belly, innervated from upper root of ansa, not ansa, upper root, innervated from upper root of ansa, innervated. But inferior belly innervated from ansa. Did you understand these muscles? Okay, two muscles, sternohyoid and omohyoid, superficial group of infrahyoid muscles. But another group, deep group muscles of infrahyoid muscles. Deep group contains two muscles. Thyroid, sternohyoid, sternothyroid, and deep group. Sterno, one, sternothyroid muscles and two thyroid muscles. Sternothyroid origin from manubrium of sternum and second cartilage. Second cartilage origin. Insertion oblique line of thyroid cartilage. Thyroid cartilage contains thyroid cartilage, okay, thyroid cartilage contains oblique line. Innervation, oblique line of cartilage, thyroid cartilage, oblique line. And action or function, depression of the thyroid cartilage. And innervated sternohyoid muscles innervated from ansa. And another muscles, thyrohyoid. Thyrohyoid origin from oblique line, insertion thyroid point. This is muscles innervated from which nerve? C1 together by hypoglossal nerve, okay, or CN12, okay, together by innervated from C1. Very important, but questions final. This question final. Okay, teaching of continuum. Okay, and the questions. This one, first questions final. Okay, and another part, these muscles. Did you understand? 3-4 muscles, innervated function. Where you are? Okay, yeah. Muscles. Omohyoid, inferior belly, from these muscles from superior border of scapula and insertion intermediate tendon, and superior belly origin from intermediate tendon and insertion, okay, great horn of hyoid bone. And another deep muscles, these muscles, sternothyroid muscles. Sternothyroid muscles origin from posterior surface of manubrium of sternum, and second cartilage of rib, but insertion oblique line of thyroid cartilage. Thyroid cartilage, oblique line of thyroid cartilage is oblique line. And another muscles, thyrohyoid muscles. This is thyrohyoid muscles. Thyrohyoid muscles origin from oblique line and insertion greater horn and body of hyoid. Action or function, depression of the hyoid bone. Nerve supply by C1. Which C1? C1 together by hypoglossal nerve. All of muscles, infrahyoid, four muscles. Very important. And deeper part, thyroid area. What's the meaning area?
Origin.
Okay, region, okay, part. Okay, deeper part, thyroid region, thyroid. Deeper part, thyroid region. Thyroid region contains thyroid gland. Thyroid gland. Okay, thyroid gland, endocrine. Okay, endocrine glands, very important location. Okay, anterior part of the neck. This is contains three parts: isthmus and left and right lobe. Thyroid glands. Okay, thyroid gland. This part lateral. Left lobe, and this is isthmus part, and apex and base. Lobe, left and right. Lobe contains three surface, very important. Left and right contains three surface. Anterolateral surface and two medial surface and three posterior, very important. Okay, and between three vertebra and T1 cervical. Okay, upper part, the level of the C3, lower part, level of T1. Okay, T1 vertebra. This lobe, left and right, contains three surface. Okay, surface relation by any structures. Okay, anterolateral relation by which structures? Anterolateral relation by one anterolateral surface, relation by one hyoid muscles, relation by sternothyroid, relation by sternocleidomastoid muscles, or SCM. Relation by upper or superior belly of homohyoid muscles. Very important. Relation by all of structures, relation by anterolateral surface of the lobe of thyroid except. And not thyroid relation. Okay, and another medial surface. Medial surface relation by any structures. This surface very important. Surface very important medial because relation by artery and nerve. Relation by which structures? Medial surface of lobe of thyroid gland. Relation by one. Relation by recurrent laryngeal nerve. Relation by recurrent laryngeal nerve. 2. Relation by lateral laryngeal nerve. Lateral laryngeal relation by lateral laryngeal nerve. 3. Relation by trachea. Relation by esophagus. Very important. Medial surface of lobe of thyroid gland. Relation by 5. Okay, recurrent laryngeal nerve, lateral laryngeal nerve, trachea, esophagus, and relation by inferior pharyngeal constrictor muscles. Relation by inferior 5. Inferior constrictor pharyngeal muscles. Relation by 5. Okay. Questions final. All of structures relation by medial surface of lobe of thyroid gland except. Okay. Superior constrictor pharyngeal muscles, recurrent laryngeal nerve, lateral laryngeal nerve, and esophagus.
Superior constructor.
Okay. Not the relation by this part, okay? And another surface, posterior surface. Posterior surface just by one structures related by carotid sheath. Related by carotid sheath. Sometimes questions posterior. Posterior surface, posterior 3, posterior surface related by which structures? Carotid sheath. Carotid sheath. Carotid sheath. Relation by which structures? Carotid sheath. Carotid sheath contains any structures. Carotid sheath contains any structures? C7. Transverse section of the neck, the level of C. Transverse section. Okay. This body. Okay, body contains any structures. Body vertebra contains any structures. This body of vertebra. Okay. And the pedicle of vertebra. Pedicle. Body, pedicle of vertebra, and this is lamina of vertebra, spine process of vertebra, spine process, not good. Okay, another class, international building. Okay. All of class, okay, just not good classes, okay. spine process, okay, and the connection or joint between of the pedicle and lamina formation transverse spine. Transverse process and superior process, inferior process, superior process, inferior process body. And this is foramen vertebra. And this part, okay, spinal cord. Section of C7, okay? Section of C7 contains two fascia. This is skin, and another section of the level of C1. This is skin, okay? And another part, superficial fascia. Superficial fascia covering all of medial surface of the skin, covered by superficial fascia. Superficial fascia. Okay, superficial fascia. But another fascia of the neck, deep fascia. This deep fascia contains two layers. Deep fascia. This deep fascia covering of the trapezius, covering of the SCL, and covering, okay, trapezius and SCL, jointing this part. Another level of the deep fascia, this fascia, deep layer formation of, okay, formation of carotid sheet. This carotid sheet contains three structures. Okay, consist. What's the meaning consist? Okay, contains three structures. Okay, medial, common carotid trunk, artery, but lateral, internal, jugular vein, and posterior vagus nerve, and anterior part very important. Anterior part of ansa cervical, and posterior part sympathetic chain. Questions: which structures location of posterior carotid sheath? This posterior sympathetic chain. Okay, sympathetic chain. Did you understand? Okay. All of carotid sheath, structures of posterior surface of the lobe of thyroid gland. Questions final. Which structures related or relation by posterior surface of lobe of thyroid? Okay, recurrent laryngeal nerve, omohyoid nerve, carotid sheath, or inferior constrictor muscles. Carotid sheath. Okay, and another suprahyoid region muscles. Okay, this part is smooth. Smooth contains two borders: superior border, inferior border. Isthmus. Isthmus of thyroid gland. Isthmus. Low. Isthmus. Right and left superior thyroid artery junction. And the inferior border and contains anterior surface and posterior surface. Anterior surface relation by sternohyoid muscles, omohyoid muscles, okay, omohyoid muscles and sternothyroid muscles. Superior surface of isthmus. But posterior surface of isthmus relation by a very important structures. Circular relation by this is trachea, relation by trachea, which circle of trachea 2 and 3, 2 and 3, related by trachea, okay, relation by trachea, Which part of trachea? Trachea cartilage. 2 cartilage and 3 cartilage. 2 and 3 cartilage. 2 and related by 2 and 3 cartilage. Trachea contains 16 and 20 cartilage. Breast and carina cartilage. Carina cartilage. Very important superior surface of the isthmus related by which structures? Carina. Which part of carina? Cartilage carina. Trachea contains any cartilage. Cartilage, the shape of C. C. 2 and 3. Thyroid. Isthmus thyroid gland. Thyroid gland. Another lobe of thyroid gland, pyramidal lobe. Pyramidal lobe, not lobe of always, but sometimes, okay, or this is lobe, smallest lobe, pyramidal lobe. Pyramidal lobe origin from isthmus. Pyramidal lobe. Accessory lobe of the thyroid, not main of a lobe. This is thyroid isthmus of thyroid gland. Apex, lobe, left and right, apex and base contains, this is anterolateral surface. Posterior surface related by, okay, posterior surface related by which structures? Related by carotid sheath, okay, carotid sheath. And medial surface relation by very important, okay, important structures, first structures, recurrent laryngeal nerve, okay, this recurrent laryngeal, excuse me, recurrent laryngeal nerve, relation by medial surface, and superior, this is superior laryngeal nerve, or lateral branch of superior laryngeal nerves. Thyroid gland, okay, isthmus, smallest part, and left and lateral lobe, largest part, okay, the apex, and okay, apex, and this is base, trachea, isthmus, relation by trachea, is trachea. Which parts of trachea? 2 and 3. Okay? Finish this part. Okay? And another part. Pyramidal lobe. Okay, this pyramidal lobe often absent or small of thyroid glands. Okay? These glands. And the superior border of the isthmus, superior thyroid, left, right, and left communicating or joint artery, and artery supply of very rich of the thyroid glands. And another artery branches from subclavian, thyrocervical. Thyrocervical branches from the first part of subclavian artery. Okay, and this artery, This one, thyroid, inferior thyroid, and another part. Another part, suprahyoid. 10 minutes rest and continue, okay? No problem, suprahyoid.